Hello students. Today I am going to explain chapter 20 and that's name is communication. So in this chapter we will learn about all the communication means and how many types of communication you will see. Sending and receiving messages is termed as communication. Means when we send and receive the messages to our friends, to our relatives, to our family members, so this process is called the communication. When we communicate with the others, that is called the communication. The means we use for communication such as telephone, television, radio, letter, computer, etc. are called the means of communication. So there are few means of communication like telephone, television, radio, letter, computer. These are called the means of communication. Means with the help of these things we can communicate with the others. Today we have very fast means of communication. Let's read about them. In the present time, we have the fastest means of communication like computer, telephone. In few seconds we can communicate with the others. Now let's read about these all the means of communication. First is post. Letters are the oldest means of communication still in use. Means letter is the oldest means of communication, but in the present time that also we are using. Means that is still in use. In present time also we are using the letters to send the messages to our dear one. We can communicate through letters which are inland, within the country, and aerograms which are sent outside the country. There are two types of letters, inland letters and aerogram letters. Inland letters, when we want to send the message, when we want to send the letter, the person that is within the country, means that is in India, so we will use the inland letter. But if we want to send the message to our any other relative that is outside of the country, means that is in foreign, so we will use the aerogram letters. With the help of these letters we can communicate, we can pass the message to our friends and relatives. We can even send money to far off places through post by money orders. So not only we can send the message to our friends through the post, we can communicate with our friends and relatives, and we can send the money also through the money order to our family members and friends. By the post we can send the money also to our friends and relatives, that is called the money order. Courier services are used for quick delivery of letters, documents, parcels and goods. And in present time mostly people when they use the courier services, so courier services are used to send the parcels, send the gifts to our friends and relatives very quickly. If you want to fast deliver to your letters, your documents, your parcels, your gifts to your friends and relatives, then we use the courier services. Now see, telecommunication means such type of communication that is related to the telephone is called the telecommunication. See, there is given telecommunication includes communication with the help of telephones, mobile phones, satellite phones, fax and emails. Means when we communicate with our friends, relatives, family members with the help of telephones, mobile phones, satellites phone. You know satellite phones? Satellite phones means such type of phone that work through that firstly it connects to the satellite, then it works. And fax, you know fax is a machine that is used to send the documents to the others. And email, you know email is a type of message that we send through the internet. So these all, when we take the help of these things to send the messages, so that is called the telecommunication. We use the STD. The full form of STD is subscribe trunk dialing. Subscriber trunk dialing. It is the full form of STD. System to talk to people within the country. So if we want to any people, that person is in the country, not outside of the country, that person is in the country, within the country, so we use the STD. We use the ISD, International Subscriber Dialing. What is the full form of ISD? International Subscriber Dialing system to communicate with the people living abroad. But those people live in abroad or foreign or outside of the country. So then we use the ISD. And the full form of ISD is International Subscriber Dialing. Mobile phones have become very popular in our age. In the modern time, mobile phones are very famous. You can see in everyone's hand there is a mobile phone is very popular in present time. We can use it for both talking and sending written messages. With the help of mobile phone, we can simply talk to our friends, or we can send the messages also through the mobile phone. These messages are known as SMS. So those messages we send with the help of the mobile phone, that is known as SMS. And the full form of SMS is Short Message Service. What is the full form of SMS? Short Messaging Service. Besides these, another instant way of communication is the email or electronic mail. So if we don't want to use these all the methods, so there is another method also to send the quick message, that is called the email. And the full form of email is electronic mail, that we can send through the internet. Means internet is very important to send the email, and with the help of computer or mobile phone we can send the emails. Through this means, messages and letters reach far off places within no time. So when we send the email, so it didn't take the time. Within few seconds, it can reach to that person wherever you want to send the email. We use the internet to send and receive emails. You know, I have already told you that internet is very important to send the emails. Emails means message that we send through the internet is called the email, and the full form of email is electronic mail. Letters, emails and telecommunication are the modes of personal communication. When we want to send the personal messages, when we want to communicate with our personal person or with our family members, friends, so then we use letters, emails, telecommunication. Now see mass communication. What is mass communication? When we want to send the messages to a large number of people at the same time. So that time we use the mass communication. See, through mass communication or mass media, messages can reach a larger number of people at the same time. Firstly, you should know mass communication is known as mass media also. And with the help of mass communication, we can send the messages to a large number of people at the same time. See the example: radio, newspaper, television, magazines, and books are some examples of mass communication. Means, if anyone will say what are the examples, what are the means of mass communication, then you can say radio, newspaper, television, magazines, books. These are the means of mass communication. Because if any news will broadcast on the radio or television, so then at the same time a large number of people can listen that news, or that news can be seen on the television by a larger number at the same time. And when we will give any news in the newspaper, so at the same time same news can be reached to a large number of people. In the same way, magazines and books are also work. So these are the means of mass communication. The first proper radio set that sent messages using radio waves was built by Marconi. Marconi developed the radio, and first message sent by the radio waves that was built by the Marconi. The radio broadcast programs in almost all Indian languages. You can see on the radios there are many programs are broadcasting, and that is in almost all the Indian languages. Television is the most popular means of communication. In present time, there are many means of mass communication, but television is the popular mean of communication. On the television we can see many different types of programs, matches and dramas, movies, news, everything we can watch on the television. Through this medium, we not only hear the latest news and internet and entertainment programs, but we see them as well. Not only we can listen the news and entertainment programs on the television, we can see also. Means we can watch also, we can listen also. That's why television is very popular means of communication. News from different parts of the world reaches us through the newspaper every morning. And in every homes, or you can say in almost homes, there is in the morning newspaper comes. So in newspaper we can get the all types of news. Many news are there. So at the same time many people can read the same news. Artificial satellites also play an important role in mass communication. They are used to receive and relay audio and video signals, which help us to telecast live programs from any part of the world. Sometimes we are seeing the live programs on the television, so that is possible only with the help of the artificial satellites. And because of the artificial satellites, we can receive the audio and video, and we can telecast the live matches. We can see the live matches on the television, no matter wherever we are or in which part of the India. We can see everywhere, and it is possible only with the help of artificial satellites. That's it.